Joe and I are right at the start of a minor renovation of this room. Our first step is to carefully remove all of the existing moldings.
Well, in this case, we're going to remove the molding and save it for reuse later. So I'm going to start by using a razor knife to cut the paint line right along the top of the molding so when I pull it off, it doesn't damage the wall. And then, in this case, also, I'm going to use two different pry bars, a really thin one to get it started and a slightly heavier one to pull the molding off the wall. So I'm going to start by tapping this in right here. After tapping in the pry bar, pull back on it slightly and drive in a couple of wood shims. Then you can move down the wall a foot or two and repeat the process of driving in the thin pry bar followed by a couple of wooden shims. When the molding is about 1/4 of an inch or so off the wall, use the larger bar to get more leverage and to finish removing the molding from the wall. Now, once you pull the molding off the wall, chances are the nails will come with them. But don't make the mistake of trying to drive the nail in from the back because you might damage the front surface. You're better off pulling them using a pair of pliers, or in this case, a pair of end nippers. You just grab the nails and roll it over, it pulls them right out.
After all the nails are out, then you can store the molding in a safe place, and it'll be ready to reuse later.